Hi everyone, welcome back. In previous videos we have already checked about MediaPipe hand detection and tracking. So also we have checked about the finger detection, for example finger joint detection. Also we made a example about the index up and down behavior by using 8th and the 6th joint. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to draw with your fingers into the camera. Into the camera frame. I'm sure you have seen this kind of examples in somewhere. So I'm gonna make a similar example with a very simple method. And let's see. First of all, I've already coded, and so these are around 74 lines of Python code, but 50 lines of from the previous video. So I've just added I think this part, and that's all, nothing else. So I'm gonna explain it, but first of all, let's see the behavior, how it looks like. Okay, so like this, and let's make this bigger. Okay, my resolution is a bit low. Anyway, so the behavior is like this. So basically I'm just drawing with my index tip joint. So it's drawing and following it accordingly. So the behavior is simple like that. And I added also mid finger tip and pip by using 12 and 10. In here you see from the list with a purpose, and I'm gonna show you that the logic is, for example, if I'm just here using their y-axis coordinates, this is of course can be improved with many kind of by including different kind of mathematical operations, but for now y is okay for me. Using y coordinate is okay, is solving my issue for now. So if index up and middle finger is down, then in that case I'm starting to draw and drawing anything. But if middle finger is up, then I'm stopping drawing. The purpose of here, if I want to write something, I don't wanna extra lines between the letters. So that's the point. So I want to write something, it means. And yeah, also extra canvas is used here, which is firstly is just getting the frame copy, and here I'm drawing some line on it, and I'm adding and updating the current frame with the canvas frame with lines. So the lines are entering here into the current frame. That's all. The logic is very simple. If I run and try to draw something, let's try it. First of all, my resolution is low, so I have a handicap in there. So first of all, let's see. Oops. And if both is up, so it's not drawing. If one is so if only index is up, it's continue. Okay, my hand drawing even bad, so this is gonna be trouble. Oops. Anyway, so it's also how to clean this. So that's a good question. I couldn't draw well, but how to clean it up? First of all, maybe, so let's use the middle down. Let's use also index down, just change this one. And if with an else if case, oops, what's going on here? Okay, interesting. If elif index down and middle down, so if both is down, then clean it up. How to do that? Just reset canvas and it's gonna clean it up like this. So yeah, let's try it. Okay, let's draw something and down it. Okay, it's gone. Let's draw it down. Okay, that's great. Okay, so let me try again to write something if I can. Okay, something is wrong again, because I didn't reset this previous x and y. That's the problem. Now I think it should work. Okay, see, oops, Ah, I should be used to how to draw. Okay. 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 Oops. T. Okay. Computer. Okay. Uh. Okay. Oops. It's not easy, or I'm not used to. Oops. Vision. Oops. Ah. Yeah. Anyway, I'm give up. I gave up. But the I think you got the idea. Maybe if we can draw something with a smiling face. One eye here, one eye here. Let's put that. Okay. Okay, nose. Mouth. Ah, I should be used. If my resolution is a bit higher because it's just low resolution, so it's not easy to handle. Here you see 640 to 480. If high resolution, I can manage it better. Yeah, one of the beautiful thing is drawing. The basic example of using the detection of the finger joints. And next, you can make games with this. You can make different kind of things. And yeah, but currently this is like that. Yeah, it's good. It's funny. It's good to play around. And yeah, with this simple code only you can achieve it. Even if you want this code, I can send to you, just email me. But this is very simple. The following, this coming through the from the previous video, just you can check it if you didn't. And that's all. I just want to show you this simple example, the usage of this hand detection, finger joint detection. And I'm done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.